Hello everyone. Today I received a Casio watch that I bought on eBay. This is the WV-59DJ-1AJF. It costed me about $60 on eBay, and it came in a nicely secure package from a seller in Japan. It's in a nice secure package, and this is the watch. Let me open it now and see what it looks like. I saw this on the internet and I thought the design of the watch looks relatively nice, and the price seems to be okay at about $60, so I thought might as well buy it. Here's the instruction. Looks like it's all in Japanese. Yep, it's all in Japanese. I live in Hong Kong, and they said this watch is not selling in Hong Kong, so that's why I got this on eBay from a seller in Japan. It took about 10 days to arrive. Okay, yes, this is all in sorry, it's all in Japanese, but the seller was really kind and printed out the instruction in English. So the seller was really nice. Okay, but it's even got a box as well. Wow, I'm quite surprised for a watch that costs $60. It comes in a Casio watch. Sorry, a Casio box. There you go. Okay, it got a protection cover. And here's the watch. Looks quite nice. Everything's in Japanese. This is multi-band 5, meaning it picks up the time from the radio clock. So this should be automatically set for me. Yeah, it looks brand new. The watch looks brand new, definitely. It's got all the plastic pieces. Yeah. Let me take this off. Is that here? Multi-band 5. That means it automatically picks up time from a radio clock. Yeah, it got lots of plastic pieces here. The stripe is of a nice quality. It's metallic. It's quite shiny. Yeah, it's really good quality. It's really good quality. Okay, let me take out the cover as well. I'm not sure how the watch works yet, because I haven't seen the instruction. So let me see if I could pick up the world time. So it's saying RC, that means it's receiving. To be honest, I'm not really sure how it works, but from the look of the watch, it looks really nice. This is metal. This is plastic. The case is plastic, but it's in a shiny plastic case. Yeah, this is a shiny metallic. You couldn't tell this is plastic, I think. No, you can't tell that this is plastic. I have pressed the button to receive the radio time, but it's not picking up anything. This is because I think I am in Hong Kong and they don't have radio clock in Hong Kong. I don't think you could pick up radio clock from in a location in Hong Kong. So anyway, it doesn't matter. I just have to set the time manually, I guess. But yeah, the watch looks really nice. It's really shiny. The case, it looks really. I think it goes really well with a suit as well, with a jacket and tie. I think this will look pretty cool. Last time I also bought a digital watch from Casio. It was the World Time, and I like that watch as well. And I really like this watch as well, the Casio World Time. There you go, two watches comparing. The case for the World Time is very metallic looking. It's not shiny. This is plastic. Plastic looks metallic and it's not really shiny. But here, the case is more shiny. It's not picking up the World Time. It's like error. So I guess I have to set the time manually by myself. It doesn't really matter to me that much anyway, because I bought this watch because of the really nice design, really nice case design, and the profile looks really cool. I think that's the reason that I got this watch. So yeah, I'm looking forward to wearing this when I go back to the office, and I will give you an update after I've been using this watch for about 1 week. So I will make a video on this watch later. Okay then, thanks everyone for watching this video, and I hope to see you next time. Thank you.